Let me show you the apartment that we are selling here. This is a 320 square meters apartment, 4 floors with a private marina. Let's go. Good afternoon. I'm here in the Thonburi district, and normally when I'm talking about real estate it's always in the Sukhumvit or Silom area, but today I'm going to show you something special. We are here at the Tridhos City Marina across the river from the Asiatique, and if you've been to the Asiatique before you might recognize these 3 iconic towers here with the pointy rooftops. Welcome to the Tridhos City Marina. I'm here today to show you a beautiful 4-story apartment with a private marina. You have all these docks here, and this is an actual marina that has access to the Chao Phraya River. And if you have one of these houses here, they are 4-story houses, and today I'm going to show you one that is for sale. And then you can dock your private boat right here and go straight into the Chao Phraya River. Let me show you the home that we have today. And this is on the ground floor, 4 floors. But look at this, guys. Did you actually know that there is a marina in Bangkok where you can have your private boat right in front of your door? And this is something completely unique. I've never seen this before. So let's go and have a look outside here. By the way, if you buy this apartment, this is not included. You have to buy your own. But from here you have a direct contact to the Chao Phraya River. There is a lock over there. Wow. So let me show you the rest of the apartment slash house. It's actually a house, right? So let's go up here. As I mentioned, there are 4 floors, 3 bedrooms. And this is quite a unique project. There's 320 square meters. Here we have the living room area with a nice balcony, and you can hear the birds in the background. It's like being in nature. And there are no big buildings around here. And from here you can see the lock and the connection to the Chao Phraya River, and there in the back you have the Asiatique. So you're across the river from Asiatique. You know, I'm always happy if I can share a unique project, and especially if you are used to Sukhumvit, this is absolutely something different. The walls here are all bookmark marble, and this has been completely renovated a couple of years ago. They spent over 10 million baht on the renovations, and look at the kitchen here. This is all gorenje. Here you have the wine cooler, which is full with water at the moment. But for example, this is a smart kitchen, so everything has its purpose. And there are plenty of storage options. And here you have a door that goes directly to the parking. And this is perfect if you come back from shopping. And this is what I meant. It almost feels like a house instead of an apartment. We go to the second floor where you have 2 bedrooms. There are a total of 3 bedrooms in this house. Well, it's a little bit complicated. Is it a house? Is it an apartment? I would consider it a house. Here we are in the master bedroom, and all the air conditionings are integrated in the ceiling like here, which aesthetically makes it look a lot nicer than when you have these units on the side. Again, you see all the boats there. From here you have a better view of the Asiatique. Nice walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Double vanity. Nice big bathtub. Rain shower, that's always my personal favorite. And then on the 4th floor we have 2 more bedrooms. And in this house they are the kids' bedrooms, but of course you can make the rooms in your own style. So there's plenty of space here. The asking price for this unit is 35 million Thai baht. It is inside of the foreign quota, so foreigners can buy this without any problems. If you want to have more information about this particular unit, or you're interested in buying anything else in Bangkok, then you can also send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. And here we have the second bedroom with the stars on the roof. If you have kids, they will love this. And the bathroom with the marble floors. This is all real marble. So this is actually quite a big project. There are around 140 units, but there are 3 big towers. If you're at Asiatique, you might have seen this building, but let me show you the facilities. This is like a private park, and in the evening it's actually quite nice to walk around here. So if you need to relax a little bit, as you can hear, maybe there is a bit of a breeze. So you have 1 tennis court right here. Yeah, so even though this is an older project, they really maintain it very well. Look at how the bushes look here, and it's almost like new. So there we have the 3rd tower. So here you have a basketball court and a 2nd tennis court. The tennis courts have light as well, so you can play in the night. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this beautiful apartment here at the Tridhos City Marina in Bangkok. If you're interested in buying this apartment, you can send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. If you're interested in more about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe to my channel, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.